So this is the iPhone 12 Pro. This literally came in the mail through FedEx less than 5 minutes ago, and I'm already recording this video, so I hope you guys appreciate that. Jumping straight into the unboxing here, you can see this is a much, much thinner box than we're used to from Apple, and that would be due to the lack of the charging brick that plugs into your wall. I'll talk more about that in just a second. So first impressions of the box, like I said, it's thinner. You got iPhone written on the side here, the picture of the iPhone 12 Pro on the front. This is kind of raised up in the front, like the design of the phone on the box is actually like embossed, if that's the correct word to use, I don't know. Back of the box is pretty standard. It tells you what's in the box, the color and the specs. I don't know if these numbers are private to my phone, so I'm not going to show them in the video, but I gotta say, of this design, what surprises me the most is actually this color. Like I said, this is the graphite version of the iPhone 12 Pro lineup. The camera actually picks up the color pretty well. In person, it's more of like a MacBook Pro space gray, where it's not quite silver, but it's also not black in any way. But yeah, it does look really cool. Just as a bit of a comparison for you guys, this is what my iPhone 10 looks like compared to the new iPhone 12 Pro. You can see there's a pretty massive difference in color here, but I don't think we've ever had an actual color like this on an iPhone before. That's kind of like an off gray, like a dark gray, but not quite black. Usually Apple likes to stick with just the black color, but I gotta say, I actually really like this so far. It looks really, really cool. Once again, we've got the stainless steel bezels on the side of the phone here, which is very similar to that of my iPhone 12. Hopefully these ones hold up a little bit better though. There's quite a bit of scratching on the bezels of my iPhone 10, so I'm hoping that the iPhone 12 Pro will be a bit more durable and it'll hold up to scratches better, but only time will tell, and we'll have to see what happens in the future with this thing. Also in the box, you have this, designed by Apple in California. In here, it's just a SIM card ejection tool with the single Apple sticker this here. There you go, so you can change your SIM card with this. Pretty basic stuff. Then we also have the USB-C to Lightning port cable that's included with this phone. So then on top of your $1,000 iPhone, you also have to go out and purchase this like $30 or $40 Apple USB-C power adapter just to be able to charge your iPhone. So now you can take your USB-C cable, plug it in like that, boom, now you have an 18-watt power charger for your new iPhone 12. Now I could literally go on for like hours complaining about Apple's charger situation with this new iPhone, but I'll spare you guys the annoyance and just continue on with the unboxing. So first impressions of the phone, obviously like I said, it looks absolutely stunning. The 3 cameras in the back with the LiDAR sensor right below them looks absolutely amazing in this graphite color. I haven't actually seen any of the other colors of this device yet, but I'm looking forward to seeing those. I'm sure they're gonna look great. I've actually been using this phone for a few days now, and I've already accumulated one little micro scratch in the front screen, which is disappointing. The camera's not gonna pick it up because of the lighting here, but I guess it kind of is my fault. I should be using a screen protector, but I'm not. I have been using this Spigen, I think it's Spigen case here I got from Best Buy for like 20 bucks, but yeah, I'm kind of disappointed with the screen here. But anyway, I wanted to keep this video kind of short because it is just an unboxing, If you guys are interested in a review of this device, just let me know in the comments and I will be sure to make that happen. I also plan on making a video of me comparing this new iPhone 12 Pro to the iPhone 10 that I've been using for the past 3 years, and maybe even like an iPhone 4, which is like a 10-year difference in iPhones. So I think that'll be pretty interesting to see the difference there. But anyway, I think that's enough for today's unboxing of the all-new iPhone 12 Pro. If you guys want to see some more videos like this, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to get you guys some more awesome content like this on the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.